Welcome to my YouTube channel, a place where we talk about career growth and how you can use AI to your advantage. Do not navigate this journey alone. And here, we give you practical ways on how you can grow your career and rise above barriers. Have you ever sat on your phone scrolling through job websites and you feel like everything you're seeing is either too impossible or already taken? It's like good jobs live somewhere hidden, somewhere only just a few people can find. If you've ever felt like that, you're not alone. Many of us struggle because we don't know where the real jobs are. In today's video, we're going to uncover the secret world, the hidden job market, and how AI can help you find opportunities that were never posted publicly. The truth is, most jobs are not advertised publicly. They are filled through silent whispers, someone saying that, I know someone who can do that. People say that 60 to 80% of the jobs do not make it online. This means that if you're struggling with the jobs that are posted online, you're fighting the wrong battle. Let's use AI to find the hidden jobs that almost no one sees. The problem that most people do, they only ask what jobs are available. And yet the most powerful prompt would be, who needs the skills that I already have? Open AI and say, here are my skills and work history. Suggest industries, companies, or types of businesses, including small or hidden ones that would benefit from someone like me. For example, maybe you don't have a formal title, but you have helped organizing church events, family meetings. AI might return suggestions like small hotels that need administration support, local clinics needing reception help, NGOs recruiting quietly, startups needing someone who just keeps things running. And then suddenly, your world opens. Step 2, use AI to search beyond job websites. Most people search on LinkedIn, local newspapers, and the common websites. But AI can direct you to non-obvious spaces where real jobs exist. Ask AI, where do companies in my country usually post jobs before they become public? It may reveal WhatsApp groups, Telegram boards, Facebook business pages, NGO internal mailing lists, company websites that people forget, and before you know it, you have a roadmap. Step 3, identify companies you should approach directly. Sometimes the job does not exist, but a company would hire you if they knew you existed. Does that make sense? Ask AI, based on my experience and goals, suggest 20 specific companies I would contact directly. Include small businesses and organizations. 5 of these names might change your world. Because when you reach out quietly before hundreds of people, you stop competing, you become visible, and that's where the hidden power is. Step 4, AI can write the message for you. When you find a company, do not wait for them to post. Write to them gently and confidently. Ask AI, write me a short message introducing myself, expressing interest in future roles, and asking if they would consider keeping my CV on file. Keep it warm and human. Now that's courage, and that is the magic. You will be noticed. Step 5, use AI to find problems and offer solutions. Most positions are created because a business has pain, and that should be your area of interest, the pain of a business. An example of a prompt can be, what problems do small clinics face that someone like me could solve? What challenges do small hotels have where an admin or customer support person could help? And then craft a message like, I have noticed your business might need support in, and I would love to help with. Now you're no longer asking for a job, you're offering value, and people pay for value. Sometimes people think an opportunity is missing when it is just quiet. The job that will change your life might not have a big announcement. It could be someone opening their phone or laptop at the end of the day, reading through their mails and thinking, oh, we've wanted someone like this. If today you learned something or felt understood, subscribe. You deserve a place that speaks to your dreams softly and gives you tools on how to achieve them. This is the place. Please remember to give this video a thumbs up and share it with someone who you think might need the same. See you next time.